Steven Davis here, and in this video, John will show you how we paint in South Africa without anything else from out of the drum. We use the roller. Okay, John?
Put the roller in, and then like so. And then you put it on the wall.
Okay. So that's fast without a drum. It flows, of course, that the amount of paint in the drum must be lower than the size of the roller. So the paint must be start from there. Otherwise, you won't be able to roll the. Why you can't just roll it like John?
Just put in the roller in the paint. And then roll in the drum like this.
Hmm.
And then you carry on painting.
But you can't just without drying most of the paint against the sides, ne? You can't do it. Otherwise, it's too wet.
You must, yeah, otherwise it's too wet. You must balance it like this, then you put it on the wall.
And I assume you can only do that when you work directly with a roller in your hand. Thank you very much for watching this video. We love constructive comments and criticism. Please like and share this video. Okay, John, please greet. Thank you. Bye.